प्रोग्राम में आपका स्वागत है। It comes at 8 o'clock in ZTV. So let's see if I can go inside and show you all. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jia the Explorer. I'm Jia and I hope you all are safe. You know, I'm a big fan of Bollywood movies. I was curious from a long time that how movie shooting happens, how movie shooting sets looks like, and now finally I got a chance to visit here in Indie Film World.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide.
Indie means Nitin Desai. He is well-known art director and producer of Hindi and Marathi film industry.
I got nothing to hide. Got nothing to hide.
Indie Film Studio is in Karjat. It is between Mumbai and Pune. 90 kilometers from Pune and 60 kilometers from Mumbai. Many shootings happen here like Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, Bhootnath, Kuli Number 1, Sanju, and even KBC first season was shot here. So let's go inside and explore more. Okay, now I got the tickets. So let's go inside. So he's Vishal Bhaiya. He's a guide over here.
हाय
He is going to tell us what's inside.
नमस्ते सभी को, मैं विशाल रुगड़े आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ यहाँ पर। हाय
Hi.
बाय द वे ये स्टूडियो 2005 से स्टार्ट किया गया था बेसिकली। यहाँ का पहला सिनेमा मंगल पांडे आमिर खान सर का है। एज आर्ट डायरेक्टर नितिन चंद्रकांत देसाई सर उन्होंने काम किया है इसमें। वहाँ से लेकर अभी तक 250 प्लस यहाँ पर फिल्म, सीरियल्स, एड फिल्म, वेब सीरीज, कई सारे शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, कई सारे एल्बम सॉन्ग यहाँ पर फिल्माए गए। जैसे रिसेंटली बताया जाए तो करण कुंद्रा, दीपराज सर और सुखी सर के जो गाने हैं यहाँ पर फिल्माया गया है। जैसे आपका पिंड बलूची सॉन्ग जो एल्बम सॉन्ग वहाँ पर फिल्माया गया था, चोर बाजार, फैशन स्ट्रीट, और हमारा जो टाइम्स स्क्वायर एरिया वहाँ पर फिल्माया गया था। कोका कोका सॉन्ग भी हमारा जो है फैशन स्ट्रीट और चोर बाजार में फिल्माया गया है बेसिकली। यहाँ पर एक खूबसूरत सा मंदिर है और उसके बाद हम आगे चलते हैं कि जो एक्चुअल में हमारी जो इंडियन सिनेमा की जर्नी है क्या है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा ब्रीफिंग करते हैं। प्लीज़ कम।
Thank you.
ऑलवेज वेलकम।
So when we'll enter in Indie Film Studio, this is Filmi Devar. You can see these are all the filmy posters. All these are hand painted. After Filmi Devar, this big area is Times Square area. So you can see this is Mumbai Flora Fountain replica. Have you seen that recent movie Kuli Number 1? That song मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था. That was shot over here only. This is Delhi Connaught Place replica. This is the place where Sanju movie song "Main Bhi Badhiya Tu Bhi Badhiya" was shot. But right now it is under maintenance, so I cannot go inside. And this is Mumbai VT station replica. So you can see there are many replicas. Like based on the requirements, they just update it and do the shooting. Wow, nice experience. Let's move ahead to next section, where we will see sets of historical movies. Have you seen the Hrithik Roshan movie Jodha Akbar that said Deewane Aam, that was shot over here only? And Akbar, I mean Hrithik Roshan used to sit here. दीवाने आम में आपका स्वागत है. At this place, many scenes were shot from movies like Panipat, Manikarnika, and serials like Chhatrasal. So this is Sheesh Mahal. Few scenes of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo was picturized here. So let's go on a side and see. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Really, it's amazing. I don't know how it is coming in camera, but in reality, it's amazing. In Pune, there is a Shanivar Vada, and this is a replica of it. So many movies are picturized here, like Bajirao Mastani and many more. So let's go inside and see. So you can see around me, this is a kind of village setup, and right now inside there is one serial shooting going on, Kashi Bai. It comes at 8 o'clock in ZTV. So let's see if I can go inside and show you all. So around me, this is a team of Kashi Bai. It seems like it's a lunch break. So now this is the main attraction of ND Film Studio. This is a palace where Prem Ratan Dhan Payo was picturized. So you can see from outside it's looking stunning. You can just see around.
Pour out the bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, you 10, the rubber band, come on for the 100 pound. All of the talk, but don't run them out. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. All I really wanna know, when we leaving.
So let's go inside and let's see how does it looks from inside. So this is the hall of Royal Palace, and this Royal Palace was mainly set up for Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. But many movies are shot over here like Panipat, Manikarnika and many more. But for now, I'm really loving it. It's so amazing.
Only top shelf. Drink that. What's in my leaf? Gonna stick this whole place out.
Watch the title song of movie Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. You will get glimpse of all these locations, Royal Palace and Times Square area.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो, प्रेम रतन धन पायो, रत मिलन की लायो, प्रेम रतन.
Big facts. I do what I want. I do what it does. I'm moving around. I'm getting the love. It's me that you want. My schedule is.
I must say, guys in ND Film Studio are very supportive.
When we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving. All I really wanna know. When we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving.
There is one museum also, where different stages of movie making has been explained.
When we leaving. All I really wanna know. When we leaving.
Wow, I got IFA award and see so many awards. देवी और सज्जनों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका कौन बनेगा करोड़पति सीजन 1 में। आइए खेलते हैं हम और आप, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति। ये रहा आपका पहला सवाल। So this is Chor Bazaar. If in any movie they need to show some old market, so they just picturize it over here. So many songs have been picturized in this Chor Bazaar area. is a wax museum as well. This is Cow Gully. To shoot any food market, this section is utilized. So this was all about ND Film Studio. I hope you liked it. Have you subscribed my channel yet? No? Then please subscribe it now. So now my upcoming video is coming soon. Please watch it.